Hello, this is the Cobra MT40VXHT, which is a hedge cutter attachment that goes onto the multi-tool kit. So it's in a box like this when you buy it. So what we'll do is just cut the tape, take it out, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Here it is. This is the hedge trimmer that's in the box. There are no instructions with this because they will be in the one that you got with the power unit. So that covers all the attachments with it. So we can see here it is. It's got an articulated head. So what I'm going to do is just take the cover off. Take the cover off. This is to protect it. You have to squeeze it simply because if you don't, it won't come off. It's so that we can get it off over the bolts on the back there, but it also stops it sliding off. This is the bit that would attach to the power unit just here. So again, there's a little protective cap on there because inside here we have got the drive shaft that runs the full length of this and will connect to the power unit itself. And this is an articulating head, which is controlled with this red lever just here. So we just squeeze that in and we can angle this to whatever we want. So this is going to be attached, and what we can do is just twist it round to the angle we want if we're cutting the top of a hedge or the side of a hedge at an angle, just to make life so much easier. So very little you need to do with this one when you're using it. It's just set the height. So what I'm going to do is get a power unit and we'll show you exactly how you attach it to it so you can get out there and cut your hedges. We've got the power unit here and we've also got the hedge trimmer, and I've already taken off the cap and we need to line it up now. So the easiest way is just to line it all up so it's standing on the level, so we've got the blades flat there, and we slide that in, and we're going to have to give it a little bit of a wiggle and it will click. And once it's clicked, it cannot come out. We've got to sometimes twist it just so that the shafts line up, and then on this side here we can just tighten that up. So that just takes any of the wobble out of it. So that's nice and strong there now. To take it off, we just repeat that. So we slacken off the red toggle here, push the button here, and it will slide out. And always put the cap back on because that protects the end of the shaft. And that is it. It's now ready to go out and do some hedge cutting with it.
Remember to register your Cobra online at cobragarden.co.uk. Always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.